dot.
Dude, did you see that? We don't have to talk about it.
I know.
Just win the round, please.
Axe! There's 3 chickens over here.
Shut up.
You gotta come here. Oh my gosh.
Alec.
No. I'm screenshotting this. This is hilarious. Whip you and oh god.
One's close to banana.
Rip your head. Because you're gonna get butt foot.
Or are they? They're here. Beady.
Remember what happened last time you whiffed and I went off?
Oh, don't. Well. Oh, the one's close. Alex!
Remember what happened last time you whiffed and I went off?
Alex! You got a kill? Let me know.
3 smoke. One's at 50. Last one 50 CT. Heaven, I think. 50. He sounds like he's on site, yeah.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run.
N-A. Wait, fork?
Did you just...
Not a headshot, dude. Did you see that shit?
That was a headshot, wasn't it?
I just freaking my game just tapped out.
Oh, you had your crosshair on his head.
32 and 2, that's freaking cool.
Holy AIDS.
I hate when my game times out and literally so fucking AIDS. Dude, my crosshair's just on his head and I hit him 32 and 2. Just like... Oh, so freaking dumb.
Whoa.
What?
I didn't see that guy. Yeah, no time to go. Should I just like pull out $30 and put it on spice and hope for an upset on
So
sale?
G.
Probably, that may have.
Really not that easy in my opinion.
30? Yeah. I see him, I might jump.
Oh.
Lol.
That's me opening door, Gil.
I
Shazam!
said it like while I was shooting at you. For me.
If that guy had been not shooting for the fence, he would have killed me.
What happened, Alec?
He Shazammed to me. I go exit or open. I'm coming connector.
Did you not see that guy? Jesus, Alec.
Sorry, I'm not looking at the minimap. I'm just running.
Last 3 rounds, I didn't see one person.
He's in the spawn. Oh my god, Alec, please! Please, Alec, what did I say?
I don't care.
Thank you.
He's
No!
good game.